Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off Google Discover option in our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. What is Google Discover? It's this right here. If we want to turn it off, we have to go to settings, then we're looking for home screen options, and in home screen options we have our Add Media page to home screen. Right now it's Google Discover. To turn it off, we simply uncheck this little box, and now we don't have this little annoying little thing bothering us anymore. To turn it on, we can just do the same. Just tap this box here. We can of course change what will be shown in this panel on the left. For example, we can have Samsung free. Of course, now we have no internet connection, but it will be now there instead of Google Discover, if you want to, of course. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.